Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shizadi. Today's video is all about shine, sparkle, and sugar. Let's explore the magical world of Isomalt Crystal Cakes. Let's dive into. The first one is Amethyst Geode Cake. Deep purple isomalt crystal carved into a fondant cover cake. A dramatic geode look with gold edges. It looks like gemstones, but it's sugar. The next one is ocean blue rock cake. Wave of blue and aqua crystals burst out of the cake's surface, giving it a rich marine gem feel, perfect for mermaid or ocean themed celebrations. The next is pink rose quartz design cake. Soft blush and transparent rose pink crystals emerge from buttercream swirl, romantic and delicate, ideal for weddings or feminine parties. The next is Galaxy Crystal Tower Cake, a tall black and navy cake with shimmering isomalt stars and crystals, perfect for space lovers. Out of this world beauty. The next is Rainbow Crystal Explosion Cake. Multiple colored sugar crystals bursting from all sides with a white buttercream base, bright, bold, and show-stopping. Crystal Crown Cake, a sleek, minimalist cake topped with the handmade isomalt crown, translucent and royal, fit for a sugar queen. The next is Midnight Black Crystal Cake, glossy black fondant contrasted with silver and dark blue sugar shards, muddy, modern, and luxurious. The next is Emerald Forest Cake. Green isomalt crystals shaped like raw emeralds, nestled in earthy tone icing. A cake that feels like a texture from nature. Next is Fantasy Crystal Shortcake. Iridescent crystal rising like spikes from the cake's top. Fantasy inspired and dreamlike. Great for ghostly fantasy weddings or magical birthdays. The next is Gold Top Crystal Tie Cake. Multi-tier wedding cake with white icing and gold-dusted sugar gems cascading down. Elegance meet extravagance. Ever wondered how these sprinkles crystals are created? Here is a quick peek. Isomalt is a sugar substitute that melts at high temperature. It's heated, colored, then poured into mold or shaped freehand. Once cooled, it hardens into glass like edible pieces. Use gloves and models for safety. Hot isomalt can burn. Always use food safe material and tools when healing. Isomalt Isomalt crystal cakes are truly next level edible art that shines like real jewels. Which crystal cake was your favorite? Emerald rainbow or fantasy crown? Tell us in the comment below. If you like this video, then share this video with your friends, family members, or baking lovers, or the person whom you want to bake the cake like this for you for your next birthday or any event. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more creative and luxurious cake ideas every day. If you like any cake design, take a screenshot of it and share that idea with your that friend who want to bake a cake for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, stay tuned with us and must hit the bell icon so you never miss any update or video or amazing idea only on Cakes Factory. Take care of yourself and your family members. Share your love with them. Goodbye.